Did you get this error on your Samsung A34? It says downgrade blocked by custom binary. Don't panic, because there is an easy fix. Let's get that phone recovered right now. Ever wonder why your app suddenly crashes after an update? It's often a binary version mismatch. The client and server are just out of sync. Before you flash any custom ROM, you need to make sure to back up all your data. Otherwise, you might end up losing everything. All right, let's get you fixed up. First, grab your Windows PC and a good USB-C cable. Make sure you have downloaded the Odin tool and your binary fix file. Now connect everything up and let's move over to the desktop to begin. All right, to get started, we need to download the binary fix firmware file directly from the browser. Next, press and hold the volume down and power buttons. There we go, the warning screen appears. You are now in download mode. Now, double-click the Odin icon to open up the software. As you can see, the ID.COM boxes are currently empty. Our next step will be connecting the device. Now for step 4, we need to connect the phone. Just plug in the USB cable like this. Great, Odin shows that the device is added. Now we need to load the fix file. Click on the AP button, find the downloaded binary fix file, select it and click Open. It's now ready to flash. Now we click Start. The NAND write process is beginning. Do not disconnect the cable during this process. All right, everything is set, and there we go, it passed. Now we just reboot. If you have been seeing that annoying pop-up, don't worry, it is completely fixed now. Just hit that subscribe button for more quick guides.